Hey guys, welcome to the review and first impressions of this chair right here. This is the ErgoChair 2 by Autonomous, and I've just unboxed it. If you want to see the unboxing process, you can just look at this tiny part of the screen. It's not that exciting. I'm gonna fast forward it. Yeah, there's just a bunch of stuff in it, and that's about it really. It was really simple to set up. The instruction manual wasn't the most clear, but it's well enough for anyone to assemble the chair themselves. And it only took me half an hour by myself. So you really don't need another person to set up the chair for you. And the process is super simple. Like all of the tools are given to you. The screws and everything are really clear. And it's just really simple to put together because you just need to, okay, I put the screw here, tighten it up, and that's about it really. It's really intuitive, and as you can see, this chair looks pretty cool. Let's get on with the video. So first, why did I get this chair? I got this chair actually as an early birthday present because my birthday is in a week. So this chair was given to me, and it was supposed to arrive a bit later than my birthday, but Autonomous actually delivered it 2 weeks earlier than they were supposed to, which I'm very glad because, hey, I get my chair early. So, first of all, this chair is really, really comfortable and it's really ergonomic, like the name suggests, the ErgoChair. And actually, it's the ErgoChair 2 because the ErgoChair is the first generation. This has a few improvements. If you're looking for an office chair or maybe just a new chair, then this would be a great option. This does come at $419 USD or 519 Canadian dollars. It might sound a bit pricey, but most chairs that have this much customization will cost well over like $800 or even $1,000, like say the HermanMiller and just those type of chairs. I'm not saying that this is comparable, like it's not that similar to the HermanMiller chairs. However, the customization is on par. Despite the price already being lower than most office chairs of this quality, they actually have this sale going on right now that allows you to decrease the price from 419 USD to around $369, or from 519 Canadian dollars to 449 Canadian dollars. So yeah, you get around like a 15% discount, which is pretty nice. Also, they have very kindly given me a referral code. If you use my referral code, I want to be really clear with you. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers not saying this, but if you use my referral code, I get a small discount from the company. So I get a tiny bit of a reimbursement. But when you use the referral code, you can get like $40 off, 40 Canadian dollars or 30 American dollars off of your purchase. So that's pretty good, to be honest, because from 419 it goes down to 369 to 339. That's almost a whole $100 off of your purchase. So that's pretty nice. But let's not talk about the price anymore. That's kind of boring. Let's talk about the usability of this chair. Now, I've only had this chair for around not even an hour actually, and I've already felt how much better it is compared to my other chair, which I'll get right here. So this is my old chair and this is my new chair. I kind of have to do this. Okay, I'm gonna take off this blazer from my chair. But look, oh no, my cactus. Sorry about that. So as you can see, they're very, very different despite the colors. Some similarities are that, I don't think you can see this, but they're both on wheels, so I can move them quite easily. However, this chair is much heavier. Like the box was super heavy. I had to roll it up the stairs because I'm on the second floor. So I had to roll the whole box. It was very, very heavy. This is not as heavy. I can easily lift this up. This I cannot. I have here. I can show you. Very heavy, as I've said. This chair was like, I think I got it from Staples or something. It was really cheap, $100, I believe. And it does come with armrests, but I took them off because the armrests weren't that good, and I think it just looks much better without the armrests. But yeah, this comes with armrests, this chair, and also a headrest for free. So that's amazing. But I guess not for free. Like, you're paying for the headrest from the chair's price. It comes with it, basically. But yeah, this chair also has a mesh back, like this one does. However, you can feel that this mesh is much lower quality than this one, and this has more tension to it. This is just soft. And also, this does come with lumbar support. As you can see, this sort of plastic. And however, it's horrible. Basically, it's just flimsy plastic, and you can't really adjust it that much. This chair, on the other hand, comes with foam lumbar support, and it's much better. I don't think you can see on camera, so I'll be putting like a B-roll or something so you can see it better, and you can also adjust it. That's not all of the differences. However, it's like the few most apparent ones. A few more subtle differences are that the foam here are much better, and they just feel much better when you sit. This foam it's bad. Also, this chair, it makes that sound and it's very annoying. This doesn't. Like, it doesn't make any sounds except for the wheels, but the wheels have to move, so like I guess it's excused. But yeah, if I just shake it, it doesn't make any sounds but the wheels. This one, like every single joint of it just squeaks. The only part that squeaks for this chair, I believe, is the armrests. So I can't get it to squeak on camera anymore. I don't know why. But so like when you adjust it, sometimes it makes a rubber on rubber sound, and that's not very pleasant. But that's about it. A few. Oh, it just made that sound. I don't think you can hear it, but it's gone. But you can also do this, and what I just did are the tilt function. So I can tilt the seat of the chair. This is kind of annoying. You probably shouldn't do this, but yeah, you can do that. And here, you can adjust the lumbar, which is kind of hard to do when you sit on the chair, but yeah, you can adjust it quite easily when you stand up, of course. And this is the headrest. You can adjust it pretty easily, and you can adjust the angles. I usually like mine here, a bit lower. Okay, and on the left side is a lot of other support and controls. Did I miss something? I believe I missed something. Oh, right. So, on the left side, you can adjust this, and bam, you can now lean back. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to go into all of the details. There's 3 more controls here, by the way. 3 more controls on the right side. 4 if you count one of the joint switches. So I guess it's 4. There's a lot of controls, basically. If there's anything you don't like about the chair, you can just change it to your liking. This chair is awesome for this price, and it's really comfortable. It should be much better for your back or anything. I did feel a bit uncomfortable sitting on the other chair when I'll just kick it away. When I sit on it for long periods of time, and since I edit videos and do schoolwork, especially remote learning, I sit on my chair much more than before, and it fatigues my back after a while. I was actually looking for a gaming chair, and then I came across this chair. So my parents were like, okay, hey, your birthday's coming up, what do you want? And I just said, have you seen this brand, Autonomous? And they were like, yeah, they make pretty good products, right? I've heard about them. So I said, well, I think one of their chairs might be pretty good. And they make a few chairs like the Kin chair or this one, or even some ergonomic stools. I don't know what they're called, but they make a few chairs, but they mostly make electric desks, I believe. It's like when you press a button and it rises up. I don't think I have a use for that because I have pretty nice desks. Like these ones, it's made of wood, and that one over there. But for most people who doesn't have like great desks already, I think they are great. They're a great choice for standing desks and just electric desks. And yeah, that's about it. My first impressions of this chair has been fantastic. And again, if you want to get your chair, you can use my referral code to get a few dollars off your purchase. And I do get a reimbursement. Like when you spend like $100, I think I get like $5 or something. I'm not sure, but it's a tiny bit. And since my channel is not monetized and I don't have any ads, I think that's how I would be reimbursed by making these videos. There are downsides to this chair, like say it's really heavy, so moving it around is kind of difficult. Even on my plastic desk mat, like it's quite difficult. Also, the momentum, once you get the chair going, it's quite hard to stop unless the friction just takes over. Like this, it's hard to stop it once it gets moving. Another thing is that the wheels are made of plastic, and they're not the best wheels in my opinion. I think they could have used like aluminum wheels or something. The whole chair is made of polymers, except for the center console or a few parts. But I think if they made it all aluminum, it would have been much heavier, and that would be much worse. But for me, I think aluminum wheels or stainless steel wheels would have been a better choice for them. However, I do understand that like they have spent a lot of money making this chair as comfortable and as ergonomic as possible while still being a relatively cheap price. So I get it. I get why it's plastic, but it's just something you should consider. Overall, this chair is amazing, and if you're looking for any chairs, I think you should seriously take this chair in mind and just think if this fits your situation. And if you're looking for a gaming chair, I think this is still going to be perfect for gaming as well, because it's really comfortable. You can sit in this for hours, and it's about the same price as most gaming chairs, even a bit cheaper. Like I was looking at Secret Labs. Their gaming chairs were like really highly rated. However, this is much better in my opinion because it's cheaper and it's more ergonomic. Like the gaming chairs will be a bit uncomfortable after a while. So this is a great alternative to gaming chairs or other non-office chairs. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be sure to have a like say a few months later review of this chair, seeing if anything has changed or if I have changed my opinion about this chair. I'll definitely update you guys on this. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll leave my referral code and my referral link in the description down below. Thank you for watching this video. It's quite short, but I just wanted to capitalize on this chair that I really enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time, but before then, please click on one of the videos on the screen, and that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. I don't want to get off this chair.